Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should just open the settings application and then just tap on the wallpaper section. Here click to my wallpapers or gallery, or if you want to use the more wallpapers, the online one, just click to explore more wallpapers. I'll use for example one from the default wallpapers or downloaded one. Unfortunately I have no here any wallpapers, so let's just use one from these available wallpapers. For example, I'll use this one. Click to lock screen. Now we can set here the preview. Just tap set a lock screen, and that's it, our wallpaper applied to the lock screen successfully. So as you can see, that's so simple. Also, yet one more way how we can do that, we just should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen, and then on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper, so I can just tap on it and select one from your photos from your gallery or download it from the internet. Here you can use the albums. For example, I'll use the regular wallpaper, so by the same way, okay, we should update it. Select one from the wallpapers, tap to the lock screen, tap set on lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.